and welcome back to our sweet life. To you guys that has been supporting us at our Etsy shop, our custom designs, I want to say thank you. Y'all, hey, I did that. Hey. You guys, that last clip, I was just making a reel on Facebook, just thanking the people that helped me use this Silhouette Studio, because you guys know I am a Cricut girl. I also want to say you do not need a cutting machine in order to make these sports balls. You can use scissors, which is what I use. I just use Silhouette now. I used to use Cricut, but I don't like splitting the image. But now I use Silhouette so that I can print the image in full without having to split my image. Okay, once you get your template inside Design Studio, you're going to take a rectangle and draw around one panel of the basketball. Then you're going to crop it out. Highlight all the image and then crop it out. Those are the steps that you will use in order to get a single panel for the basketball. In this slide, I'm going to show you how to resize your template for your basketball. For my sizing now, I use 14 height and I use 3.8 width. On this channel, I do have a video showing you how to measure your ball. Being that I'm new to Studio, I don't know all the proper names for Studio, but you're going to slide your template over to the sheet or grid in order so that you can merge your picture in so that you can slice out your image. Once you merge your image in, you can slide your template over on it. It's going to go beneath the image, but then you can highlight it and push the big photo to the back. I think it's called move to the back. And then the template will be on the front. Then you're going to highlight both the template and the photo and crop it so that your picture will be on top of the template. I'm not sure if any of you guys caught it, but yes, I am using football photos on a basketball. I just wanted to go ahead and get this tutorial out because one of our buyers of the template was asking questions on how to use it in Studio, and I just like to have a video to show them how to use our template. So yes, it's a football player, my son, on a basketball, so you guys ignore that. All right, the white sheet that I just slide the template over on is measured 8.5 inches wide and 17 inches in height, and that is the size of the paper that I'm using, so that is the reason why it's that large. Now whenever I print these out, my printer only prints 8.5 by 14, so I'm going to have to scoot these panels very close to the top so that it can print out fully on my whenever I print it out. And here what you guys see me doing on the left hand side of Silhouette Studio is just getting the templates in. I should have did this in the beginning of the video, but now you see whenever you get the template whenever you get it cropped out, you're going to need 8 panels in all. As you see at the very top, those panels are pointed inward. They're up and inward, and the 4 at the bottom is going to be down and out. That's how I remember what it is. I say 4 up and in and 4 down and out. That's how I remember it. I'm not sure if I showed you in the beginning of the video of how to set your measurement for your ball, but you're going to highlight one of the panels and then set it to the measurement of your ball, and that's what I'm doing here. All right, you guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I am very new to Silhouette Studio, as I told you in the beginning, but this is how you can use the template. The benefit of using Silhouette Studio over Cricut, you no longer have to split your image. As you see on this ball, I had to split the image because I use Cricut Design Space, but from now on, I will be using Silhouette Studio. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Did you know that we did other sports balls besides basketballs? Check out our Etsy store, Our Custom Designs.